Love looks different from time to time. It can look scared and it can look tired. Love can bring peace and it can bring war. Love is always worth wanting more. But our love is made of something real. It's made of something sweet. Times words don't go that deep. Honey, dig in, find your inner peace. A car roses to give, with thorns on the leaf. But honey, it's me.
Lately, the world feels a little unsteady. Everything moves fast, loud, and out of control. In this season, I find myself holding on tighter to what's close, the people, the moments, and the small things that feel real. Today, I'm starting with something simple, a little Valentine's Day arrangement made by hand. Not just flowers, but a reminder to slow down, to stay present, because love doesn't have to be loud. Sometimes it's quiet and intentional, living in the details, in what we choose to create and who we choose to create it for.
Our love is made of something real. It's made of something sweet. Past the lips and through the teeth. Honey, dig in, find your inner peace.
In today's video, we're heading back outside to the backyard, cleaning up once again as we begin to prep for spring. But before that, I wanted to show you Zion's wallpapered closet. With a little help from my mom, we knocked it out in just a couple hours. And what a statement this made in the space.
All right, you guys, so I know you saw a couple videos back where I was talking about wallpapering this whole room. Now, I get tired of things so easy, so I decided to Roman clay the wall, but I still wanted to incorporate the wallpaper somewhere, so I decided that I was going to do Zion's closet, and this is the most beautiful wallpaper.
All right, you guys, are you ready for the fun? This space truly transformed the entire room, all from just the closet. Who would have thought?
It's hotter than a blacktop in July, sweating like a sinner in a church, and I just wanna get out with my crew tonight and shoot at the lights. Got a couple 40s full of pops and fun, looking for a good time, gotta live it up. Leave behind the city, hop inside my truck. No, we don't give up. We're gonna paint the night red, hoot and holler till we're dead. We're down to turn up, we're up to get down, saying hey y'all, howdy, let's get rowdy tonight. 3, 4, hey. Looks wild, but you know we're right at home. The louder the better, cause with us anything goes. Life of the party, we're the feature of the show. You already know. We're gonna paint the night red, hoot and holler till we're dead. We're down to turn up, we're up to get down, saying hey y'all, howdy, let's get rowdy tonight. Oh, tonight. Yeah, let's get rowdy. poor boy from the backwoods, thought I never would find my way.
Sweet girl, straight from downtown, where I was just another face.
They said that we should steer clear of each other, matches and gasoline, nothing but trouble. Said we'd never make it, but you ain't seen nothing yet. Tender and kind, built over time. This is my love for you. Steady and pure, patient and sure. This is my love for you.
Now let's refill our hummingbird food. I have so many hummingbirds on the property, and it's honestly one of the goals of mine to have as many as I possibly can. I refill my feeder every single day, and that's okay because they bring me so much joy. My goal is to at least have a hummingbird feeder with 10 hummingbirds at it at a time. Lately, I've been having more visit it at the same time. Years prior, I was only having one bird at the feeder and they would always chase each other away. And I was always so jealous when I would see everybody else and have all the hummingbirds surrounding it. So one day that will be me, and I think we are on our way.
Careful and wise, true and refined. This is my love. Gentle but strong, from suffering long. This is my love for you.
We are headed back to the backyard to try to clean this space up and get it ready for spring prep. I know I say it in every video, but we have a lot of cleanup to do. I'm starting with trimming these grasses. This is probably 2 years of overgrowth. We didn't know the first year that we needed to trim back the grasses, our mistake. And then this is last summer. So this is 2 years full of growth, and it is a huge mess. So I am tackling it myself. I'm going to see how much I get done. And all I know is, note to self, I need to buy an electric, cutter, whatever it's called. I told you guys I'm not a gardener, but I will be soon. But I do need one of those electric things because my arms were burning by the end of this.
We both walk a thinner line, a fuse and spark. We could blow it any time. With love and scars, we're both carrying baggage. We've both got fire in our veins. Will we dance in the wreckage, or will we dig our grave? I ain't gonna be your good Prince Charming, knight in shining white.
I ain't gonna be your little darling, no baby,
I'm gonna be your dynamite.
I also want to mention, I see you guys in my comments wanting longer videos, and I promise you I am trying. I love keeping them fast paced, but honestly, I don't always have tons of footage, and life really isn't that exciting over here, but I am working on it, and I cannot wait to share the next one with you. We are headed on a little vacation. It may or may not end at Olive Atelier. I don't know yet, but I am so excited to bring you guys along with us. And I want to thank you guys for watching yet another video of ours, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Now we could dance in the embers, or we could seal our fate.